Good morning, my dear students. Let us solve the brain developer for lesson number 4. Please open page number 37 from your computer textbook. You all can see the heading is brain developer and this is section A. In section A, they have given A, fill in the blanks. For that fill in the blanks, down they have given some hints. These hints are the answer for that fill in the blanks. You all have to choose the correct hint depend upon the sentence. Let me read the first one. There are dash type of keys on a keyboard. Yes, children. How many types of keys are there in a keyboard? You all have to tell me using these hints. Whether it is a space bar, alphabet, tree or enter. So they have asked how many types of. The answer will be 3. So here I will write T H R W. There are 3 types of keys in a keyboard. Now let us go to the next. The dash keys are used to type letters, words and sentence. Yes, children. How will you type the letters, sentence and words? Using alphabet keys. So the answer will be alphabet. Here they have given a hint. You can follow the same spelling to write here. Alphabet. A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. So the second answer is alphabet. Now third one. The dash key is used to move the cursor to the next line. If you want to jump to the next line, which special key is used from keyboard? Space bar or enter? Space bar is used to give a space in between the letters, words and sentence. Whereas enter will help you to jump to the next line. So here I will write E-N-T-E-R. Enter. Like this way, you can solve the example 4. Now let us go to the match the following. One side, they have given number keys, alphabet keys, longest keys and they have given here an arrow mark. And other side, they have given space bar, backspace, 10, 26. So which is the number key here? Number keys. Alphabet keys, longest key and this is which special key? How many number keys are there, children? Yes, can anybody tell me? There are 10 number keys. So this will be the first answer. Either you can draw a line or you can write the number over here like this way. Alphabet key. How many alphabet keys are there, children? There are 26 alphabet keys. So here you can give a 2. Now third one, longest key. Which is the longest key in the keyboard? Space bar. So here I will write space bar. Now backspace. The last is backspace. Like this way, you all can solve the match the following. Now section B they have given. You all can see section B. Tick the right answer. The answer which is correct, you all have to tick that. Example, they have given 3 multiple choice questions. You have to select one which is correct. First one, the dash keys Key erases the text on the left side of the cursor. Yes. If you want to erase the keys which are typed from the left side towards right, from the left side, which will delete, which is that key? You all have to write. It's not enter or space bar. The backspace will be a correct answer, so I will tick over there. So like this way you can solve the second one. Now go to the B. Guess who I am I? You all have to guess who am I means what is that exactly according to the given sentence. I make the letters appear in a capital. Yes children, what is that? Can anybody tell me? There is a special button called caps lock which will help you to write all the letters in the capital. So that is caps lock. Here in the space you can write caps lock. Second one, I am the longest key on the keyboard. Which is that children? In the above questions and answers, there are few answers are there which are same to this. Which is that key which is longest? In match the following also it is their longest key. Which is that children? Space bar. Space bar. Now like this way you all can solve the example 3. I work like an eraser. What is that? You all have to write. In this box also you can mention example space bar. You can write over here. And here you can write caps lock. Thank you.